Welcome back to my YouTube channel, #BFF Sisters Girl Power, and today's video is a special slime video. The balloon popping slime challenge. I filled them up all by myself. It was pretty hard, but it was kind of easy at the same time because I had a funnel. But yeah, I labeled them so like I would know because I wanted it to still work. So yeah, let's get right into the video, yo. Oh yeah, guys, sorry for the background noise. So I got like a container. It's a container, but I'm gonna use that as a bowl today. And a mini spatula, also in the spatula set. That was cringy. So I got the scissors. There's a bit of shaving cream there. So let's cut it. So this is the glue. It's in a white balloon. So. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys are covered in glue. Such an idiot. Okay, guys, it's splattered everywhere. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm all cleaned up, but as you guys saw, it literally splattered on you guys. So, I barely have any glue in here. My hands are sticky. Not that much. So, think this is not considered cheating because, yeah. Okay, I had some of my gallon glue because if I didn't, then I would not be able to make any slime. So I'm going to put you guys way more back. Don't want you guys to get slime on. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to put you guys there. It's a bit crooked, but that's okay. I'm kind of scared for this next one. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is... Sorry guys, so I'm going to cut it. I'm scared. I'm gonna try to be safe on this one. Okay, I made a tiny hole. Sorry guys, that's me. Okay. Got most of the glitter in there. That's not how I wanted it to go, but got some in there. I'm gonna try to like pick it up, like put it in there, I guess. Okay. Let me just mix that up. This is going to turn out a big mess, but I'm going to clean it. Okay. So, after that, we are going to be putting shampoo right here. Okay. So, I'm going to do it like tiny. Okay. Okay, I made a tiny hole. I'm gonna, okay, it's already going, but. Oh my gosh. Okay, that one was safe. If it doesn't splatter anywhere, ugh. Okay. We're safe on this one. Except for my hands. You guys are on like this tissue roll thing, so like, guys, are gonna like be falling over. Right, so let's mix that in. I was watching videos, so sorry for the background noise. So this slime's going kind of good. Oh no. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna put is water because, okay, here it is. After water, we have 2 more. This is I don't know. Okay, I forgot. So okay. I made a tiny hole of it. There's that noise. I think this slime's gonna be a jiggly slime because there was a lot of water. It's like not, it does not want to mix in. Oh no, this might it fell. Kind of thickening. Alright, it's good now. So this is still liquidy, but it's thicker. Okay, now there's probably not gonna be no piping noise, so that's good. Still liquidy. Alright, the last thing before the activator is, shaving cream. I'm scared for this. I'm just gonna, okay, I'm gonna, can stand back. Okay. I'm gonna do it on the bottom. Hopefully it's not like the glue. Oh, help me! It went everywhere and I didn't even got in the bowl. I don't know if you guys got that, but like it went everywhere besides the bowl. It got all over my walls, guys. Please subscribe for me, guys. That was a mess. But I cleaned it up. It was like just little bits of shaving cream, so it's easy to clean up. Alright, last thing is tied, and I'm gonna be safe with this one. I'm gonna try to be safe with this one because this is a liquid. This is my activator. So I don't want it splattering everywhere. Alright guys, so the activator I'm using is tied. Don't mind my fingers, they're so covered in glitter and stuff. Hopefully, guys, I'm scared. I'm gonna be safe with this one. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I did a tiny hole. Oh guys, and there was no paint at all. Okay, it's barely even coming out. Okay, let's stir and see if this is, pretty sure it's gonna turn jiggly slime. Oh my god, it's still coming out. Men can use a hard thing. Can I make it bigger? It's probably gonna end up splattering if I make it like bigger. Okay. Right. Okay, that's how much more Tide I have to add in. Let me just mix up all this. Okay, it's literally dripping. Sorry guys if this is not a good lighting or angle, but I tried my best. Hope you guys caught all of those shots on camera because like it was a mess. So okay, I'm not gonna add no more Tide. There, no more. That's all of the Tide. Tide was good. The shaving cream was probably really entertaining for you guys, but it was really messy. But that's fine because it was not hard to clean up. Literally, there's no shaving cream. I think I might end up actually needing more. Let me just knead this. Guys, I'm probably going to end up doing this again, but like with mystery. Ooh, this is a nice slime. It's pretty sticky. So, comment down below if you guys want to get balloons, because I only have 3 left. I mean, I could still, like, do it, but like only with 3 items, glue, like paint inside. I just thought it was probably boring. have to like be unsafe with all of those so that it'll be a good video. It's kind of still sticky, but it's a pretty nice slime. So I'll be back when this is good. Oh, and guys, I'm not gonna go add Tide to this. First of all, I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna get like all the slime off here, but I don't want this video to be extra long, so yeah. Okay guys, so it's all off the bowl, pretty much. It's still sticky, but I thought it was gonna be like a jiggly slime, like a jiggly slime that doesn't stretch, but it's actually really good. And I really like the color of it too. It's like this light blue because of the Tide. I thought this was gonna become like a bell, but no, this is actually good slime. This probably might be like my favorite slime, one of my favorites now. So I'm glad that I did this video to discover this new slime. It's pretty sticky, but it's really good. And I can't add no more activator because that would be considered cheating, right? Yeah. So comment. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below if you guys want me to like what's it called? Make another one of these videos, but with mystery. Like I'm not gonna be labeling them, and they're gonna be like all the same colors. Not probably all the same colors. I don't think I have that much of one. But yeah. Bye! Make sure you guys post the notifications bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post and be my best friend. Bye!